Hi and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing the Husky GearBox Under Seat Organizer. I will be installing it in my 2019 Chevy Silverado Double Cab with a V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine with dynamic fuel management and an 8-speed automatic transmission. I will be replacing the WeatherTech Under Seat Organizer that I installed in my truck last year when I bought it brand new in August of 2019. WeatherTech did a pretty good job on it. The only flaw that I could find is, I guess you would call it, the kick panel where your heel would be. Just sticks out a little bit too far. And it doesn't mount very securely into the back. It shifts continuously at least an inch. I have to keep pushing it back. It does hold quite a bit, and looks like the gearbox holds about the same amount. So let's get to the install. But before we do that, I'll show you side by side of what the Husky gearbox looks like and the WeatherTech under seat storage system looks like. So let's get to the back of the truck. I purchased my gearbox from AmericanTrucks.com for about $150 with free shipping. You can also order it at huskyliners.com for the same price. And I'm sure there are other various companies that you can order it from. Like I said earlier, they just came out with this gearbox 2 months ago. So I'm looking forward to put this one in, and it's gonna mount a lot more secure. And here you go, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. Here are the two organizers side by side. You have the WeatherTech organizer and the Husky gearbox. As you can see, what I was talking about with the WeatherTech sticks out in the front. And how it mounts the vehicles with this single strap that straps around one of the seat posts, and it's not very secure. The Husky gearbox has a hole right here that you would place over the bolt that holds the toolkit, and that toolkit is about this long here, so it's going to be pressed up against the back of the gearbox and definitely hold it very securely in place. So now on to the install. All you have to do in here is to unscrew this wing nut and remove the toolkit. This is the bolt I'm talking about. That hole that's in the Husky gearbox will fit right over this. Let me go ahead and grab the gearbox and I'll be right back. That's it. Way too easy. And then take your toolkit, screw it back in place. That's it. Well, that's it for the install. It was pretty simple. Your floor jack is underneath here. In order to get to your floor jack, you will need to remove the toolkit, which you have to do anyway, and then you would just push the gearbox out of the way to remove your floor jack. Now I will show you what it looks like with the seats down. As you can see, the gearbox comes right up to the bottom of the seat. It sits back about an inch compared to the WeatherTech one, and this one comes straight down. The WeatherTech came out on an angle. Took up about an extra 2 inches of floor space. Now I'll show you a foot clearance test. Perfect. Yeah, way better than the WeatherTech one. Here's a side profile of the Husky gearbox. This is what it looks like in the front. And this is all the stuff that I have inside of it. I think that it holds a little bit more than the WeatherTech version. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the Husky GearBox Under Seat Organizer. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and hope all your stuff stays organized. Like all my other videos, if you stay until the very, very end, I have some bloopers that I always put on there. I don't really know what to say. I really tried to get them in one take. Just can't do it. That's it. Have a good day, and See you on the next video. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hi, and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing, one more. I will be replacing the WeatherTech Under Seat. Is this thing working? Yeah. Is it? Yep. I will be replacing the WeatherTech Under Seat. What do they call that one? Under Seat Storage System. WeatherTech Under Seat Storage System. I will be replacing the WeatherTech Under Seat Storage. Test 1, test 2, test 3. I will be replacing the WeatherTech Under Seat Storage System that I had purchased about a month. No. I don't like the way that it fits. The front of it, the kick panel, comes to, God, how do you put it? Test 1, test 2, test 3. I purchased my Husky GearBox from American Trucks. Damn it. Test 1, test 2, test 3. I purchased my gearbox from AmericanTrucks.com for about $150, free shipping. You can Osco, damn it. As you can see, the Husky Gear, oh shit. Test 2, test 3. Well, that's a wrap up in another how-to video with Paul Henderson one. 1, test 2, test 3. Well, that's a wrap up in another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the Husky GearBox Under Seat.